Hey you guys, welcome. My name is Samantha T-Bear. I am a green status presenter with Younique, and I'm super excited to have you guys here tuning into this video. So today, what I want to talk to you guys about and show you guys a really cool trick is primer. It has to do with primer and what a difference it makes, okay? So I don't know if you guys are familiar with what primer is and what it does, but it is crucial before applying any makeup at all. I've learned this the hard way, I promise. I never used to use it, and now I cannot put my makeup on without it. So this is our glorious primer. It's a face primer. It is clear color, and you need very, very little because a little bit goes a long way. And what this does, it basically creates a barrier between your skin and your makeup. This way you can avoid any clogged pores, and you can basically avoid your makeup just sitting there, right? So it helps you use less product. It lasts all day, so your makeup is not gonna budge. It's awesome that way. And like I said, you're not gonna get any breakouts and any makeup in your skin. You're creating that barrier, right? So it's super, super important to prime your face. Now, when I say that, not only your face, but your eyes. And although we do have an eye primer, which is phenomenal, strictly for your eyes, you can totally get away with the face primer on your eyelids as well. When using eyeshadow. So I wanted to show you guys a really cool trick to show you that I am not crazy, that this really, really works. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this palette right here. It's a gorgeous palette, it's palette 5. It is all metallic colors, okay? Very, very prismatic. And I'm gonna take a brush. I'm going to dip it into one of the colors here, Sarcastic. Okay, and I'm going to apply it to my hand right here, okay? Do you see that? Well, you probably can't because let's face it, it's hardly noticeable, right? That is what a little bit more, it's not the greatest, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of primer and I'm going to apply it right here, okay? To show you guys the difference, to show you guys that I'm not crazy and that this stuff really does make a difference, okay? So you're just gonna let that sit for a minute. Usually you would apply this on your face and then let it sit, maybe do some other stuff while it sets. And I'm gonna take that same color that I just took from this palette, so I use Sarcastic, okay? And I am going to apply that same color over top of the primer. Mind blown. Mic drop right here. Seriously. Like, I can't get over it. It blows my mind every time I do this trick. No primer versus primer. Do you see the difference? So when you actually think about it and you think to yourself, why does my eyeshadow never last all day? Why is it always falling off halfway through the day? It is because you are not priming, okay? Priming is everything. You're gonna avoid any creases with your eyeshadow, any creasing on your face if you're using it for your face as well. And it's not gonna budge, it's gonna stay there all day. So it's really, really important to prime, you guys. I told you I would show you a magic trick and I just showed you a magic trick. Okay, so if it's doing this to your eyeshadow, imagine what it's doing to your face. Okay, so I thought that was a really cool trick and a great way to show you guys how primer really enhances the color that it's actually supposed to look like. Okay, so I use this color right here, Sarcastic. We're just gonna pair that up and I'll let you guys just take it in, okay? Insane, right? So now you can see how important primer really is and what it's doing to your face and your makeup before you apply it, okay? So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope this was helpful and we'll talk to you guys soon.